Introduction to Power Automate.
Microsoft Power Automate is a cloud-based service that helps you automate repetitive tasks, such as sending email notifications. By setting up simple workflows, you can save time and ensure that important information reaches the right people automatically. If you're new to Power Automate, this guide will walk you through the basics of creating automated email alerts.
Signing in and navigating Power Automate.
To get started, go to the Power Automate website and sign in using your Microsoft account. You'll see your dashboard where you can create new workflows, also called flows. From the sidebar, select Create to start a new flow and explore the different templates available for common automation tasks.
Creating a flow for email notifications.
To automate email alerts, choose Automated Cloud Flow. You'll need to set a trigger, such as when a new email arrives or when a file is added to OneDrive. After selecting a trigger, click Next and sign in to connect any necessary services, like Outlook or SharePoint.
Configuring the email action.
After setting your trigger, add a new step by choosing Send an Email v2. Fill in the recipient's email address, subject, and message body. You can use dynamic content like the sender's name or file details to personalize notifications. Double-check your settings, then save your flow.
Testing and managing your automated flow.
Test your new flow by performing the trigger action, like receiving an email or adding a file. Check your inbox for the automated notification. If needed, return to Power Automate to review or edit your flow. Monitor run history to troubleshoot errors and ensure your workflow keeps running smoothly.